Welcome to Project Insight. Right now you're looking at the home screen. On the home screen, there are these icons. Each icon represents an add-on in the system. Some add-ons are free for all levels, including the free PI, and others are paid at different levels. Enterprise customers have almost all of the add-ons free as part of Enterprise. So depending on your level, you'll see when you install add-ons, you'll see whether or not the add-on is free or what level is required to have a certain particular add-on. To install your add-ons, you can go to the bottom of your home screen and choose add-ons, or you can just go to the main menu and choose add-ons. Only a system admin will see those choices. Once you navigate to the add-on area, you'll see over here first the installed add-ons. These are all of the add-ons I have installed in my workspace. And in the installed add-ons, you'll see a configure button and a tutorials button. If you don't know how to use an add-on or you need to understand more, you can choose the tutorials, and that will take you to videos about the add-on. If there's a configure button, then that's how you can go in and make choices about your add-on. Most add-ons have configuration choices, and you would need to look through there to make your settings. If you need to get more add-ons, choose Get More Add-ons, and here you can see all of the different choices of add-ons that are not already installed. If you would like to install a particular add-on or see more about it, you can click on it and a layer will pop up that gives you some information about the add-on and links on here as well that may take you to either documentation or videos. If the add-on is going to cost something or be part of a different plan that you don't have, that information will be shown right here next to the install button. If you just see the install and a blank space, or if sometimes it says free, then it will not cost anything. So if there's no information about pricing, you can just simply choose install, it'll install, and then you can go to the configure page for that particular add-on, usually right out of the box by clicking on the link. Or you can simply dismiss the dialog by clicking OK. In my case, I did click configure and it took me to the configuration page of the project phases. This particular add-on, you can configure different phases for projects and choose a color for those phases. I've hit the back button. It's taking me back to all of the add-ons that are available. And again, you can just navigate through here and take a look at each of the different add-ons that you may want to add to your system, or you can just look at what is already installed in your system. If at any time you don't want an add-on anymore, you can actually disable it or uninstall it using this more menu here as well. If you would like to see a description of the add-on, you can expand it and you'll get a description and maybe some links about that particular add-on as well as tutorials. So this is how you can extend Project Insight. And when you get into Project Insight, the base of the tool is really basic and only has the minimum of features installed. That way your user experience is better because you'll only see things that really matter to you. And that's why we have this add-on model for each feature being something that you can optionally add to your system or not.